Hello, saxophone lovers. My name is David Tobing. In this occasion, I would like to share my experience of how to make good embouchure in producing good sound. If we want to make good sounds while we are playing our saxophone, the best way is to use our both lips, upper lips and lower lips, press the reed and the mouthpiece. Lower lip, yes, must be placed below the reed, and upper lips must be placed, yes, on the upper side of the mouthpiece, just like this. And then we press by using our both lips. Don't use our teeth, yes, below our lips, just like this, to bear, to bear the teeth, just like this. If we use our teeth as the bearing in producing sounds while we are playing the saxophone, sometimes the sounds produce quick, just like this. Just like this. Sometimes it is not producing a good sound. So it is better for us, yes, from the very first time of our playing, using both of our lips, just like this. Put the lower lips, just like this. Upper lip, just like this. And then press. From now on, yes, we have to make such a good habit in playing the saxophone. Yes, don't use the lower teeth as the bearing. Yes, if we use our lower teeth as the bearing, sometimes the sound is quick. Okay, I think this is good for you, all the new students. Thank you.